Hello everyone, this is Tina. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a pong game. Pong is an onomatopoeia. It's like the sound a ball makes when it hits a wall.
First, we need to open Python, but not in Python itself. We need to open Python's file, because in file we can modify the wrong code at will. Okay, we choose idle. And then we're going to click File and New File. Let's start coding. First, we need to import a model, so we typed import turtle. Step 1. We're going to set up a screen where the Pong game is playing. We need to set the title, color, and size of this screen, and you can change any title and color you want. By the way, if you choose WM, you need to keep it for the rest of code. There should be 2 pedals in Pong game. Let's import the left pedal. We need to set its shape, color, size, and position. The setup of right pedal differs little from that of the left pedal. They're just in different positions. So I copied the left pedal and modified part of it. That's the code for the right pedal. Step 3. We need to set the speed, shape, color, and position of the ball. Step 4. We need to distinguish between the left pedal and the right pedal. And step 5. We need to set up the score, the color, words, and the position. Step 6. We need to these 2 pedals to move up and down. Step 7. We are going to set which key press can control the left and right pedals to move up and down. I have selected these 4 key press, and you can choose any key press you want. Step 8. We need to set up the movement of the ball and make sure it moves within the screen. Step 9. We need to set up the impact of the ball. Make sure it bounces back after hitting both pedals and the top and bottom wall. Now I've found errors in my code, and now I need to find them and fix them. And there are a few considerations. Make sure the case is correct. Make sure the spelling is correct. Make sure the spaces are correct. This is the final code, so let's run it. As you can see, this pun game, works fine.
Snake game is the second game I want to introduce, where you can control snake and make it move up, down, left or right, and make it eat food. It's also a fun game. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Let's make a snake game. The step 1 is import the required models. These models include turtle, time, and random. A plan coordinate system for the snake's movement, a time log so the game can move, and a random food model. We also need to import delay and square models in this type. Let's go to step 2. Perfection requires creating a window for the game to run. In this type, we can set the name, color, and size of the window screen. Okay, it's step 3. We need to set the shape, color, starting position, and the orientation of the snake. This is just an initial model. Let's move on step 4. We need to set the food that the snake needs to eat, such as the color, shape, and location of the food, and so on. That's also an initial model. Let's start step 5. We need to set up the score, such as color, size, position, font, and so on. Score represent left and right direction, and the high score represent up and down directions. Now it's step 6. We need to set the snake's movement direction and the speed and control the movement of the button. And there was a lot of code duplication in this step, so I copied and pasted it. This is a quick method, but it is subject to error. Let's move on to the step 7. We need to set up the main gameplay of the game, such as the range of snakes. We can move the snake after we done this step. Step 7 is adding segment. We need to set the snake delay and so on. Actually, I think this step is included in step 7, but it is a supplement. This is last step of this snake game. Step 9. We need to set up snake collections, such as the range of snakes collections. Now we finish the game, and that's all the code of snake game. As you can see, we get the snake to eat the food. It's like a snake looking for food, so this game is called Snake Game. Let's start. Step 1. Also import the model. A cycle model, a random model, and a camera model. In the step 2, we need to set up the size of camera, such as a road, a blue sky, and the sun. In the step 3, we need to create eggs. We need a lot of eggs, and we set up the color set of these eggs. Also, we need to set up a egg catcher that's a basket. They don't have title, but I think this is step 3. We need to set up the score. The rest of the code is all about how to you get both the eggs and the basket to move. Now we finish the code of this game at Egg Catcher. Now I'll show you all the code of this game. Okay, let's try to run it and play it. I'll show you how to play this game. As you can see, we need to catch the eggs in a basket, so the game is called Egg Catcher. Let's move on to tic-tac-toe. In fact, we don't have clear steps in this game because it's very simple. We need to set up the 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And each line contains 3 numbers. And we need to set up 2 players, X and O. When a player first makes all 3 numbers on a line, he's on. He wins. It doesn't matter if the line is oblique or vertical or horizontal. Okay, we finished the code of this game. And you can pause and look at the code. Now I'll show you how to play this game.
Congratulations, we've done all the code for these 4 games. I hope you enjoy making these games and feel it fun. When you finish your code and it runs successfully, you should be so proud of yourself. And if you want to get this code, you can take a screenshot in my video or you can send me a message, email, and I will respond to you. Of course, if you have any question in this production process, you can also ask me. I will help you solve it. And there is my email address, tinaliyiting@gmail.com. I'm Tina. See you next time. Bye bye.